Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. In this video, we'll show you how to personalize emails with MailMerge in Python. MailMerge is a mechanism for combining information from a database into an email template with placeholders. This allows for personalizing multiple emails at once. For more on MailMerge, watch our dedicated video. In Python, you can perform MailMerge with a for loop, MailMerge package, or docx-mailmerge. For all the examples, we'll be using Mailtrap email testing, an email sandbox to inspect and debug emails in staging and dev environments. That way, we'll be able to trap all our emails in a virtual inbox and test if all the fields were merged correctly. Let's start with Python loops. We've already prepared a CSV file, which contains sample student data with names, email addresses, and test scores. Import CSV and SMTP-lib to read data from a CSV file, and send emails using the SMTP server. We'll also import Mailtrap email testing credentials from the EMS file. To access your email testing credentials, go to Email Testing, open the desired inbox, and click Show Credentials. Copy the credentials and paste them into your script. Return to your Python project and add the SMTP server configuration to connect to the Mailtrap fake SMTP server later. Create a message. For this example, we just copied it from the documentation. Open the SMTP connection with the with statement. Use the with statement again, but this time use it for opening the file. Add the reader object to read and pass the CSV data from the file. But if we leave it as it is, it will read the header line, not the variables. So we need to skip it. This is done by calling the Python's built-in next function. Add the for loop that iterates over each row in the CSV file and merges the variables accordingly. Then, with the help of the sendMail method, it sends an email to each recipient. The email will be formatted with the recipient's name, email, sender, and score. Finally, print a confirmation message to the console. Run the script. As you can see, both emails were sent, and we received them successfully in our virtual inbox. Now, let's see how you can perform MailMerge with Python using the MailMerge package. Install the package using the pip install MailMerge command, and initialize configurations with the MailMerge sample command. As you can see, a couple of files were created. The first one we'll configure is MailMerge_server. You need to enter your Mailtrap email testing SMTP credentials, such as host, port, and username. You'll be prompted to enter the password later. Don't forget to set the security to start TLS. Then, configure the MailMerge_database file with the merge data. Once that's done, open the MailMerge_template file and change the message as you want. As you can see, this template contains a file as an attachment and reads it from the attachment folder. Create an attachment folder, or just copy and paste it if you prepared it beforehand. Remember that you should place the attachment folder in the same directory as the template. In our example, the attachment folder contains two files, one for each recipient. The file names are indicated as variables in our MailMerge_database file. We're ready to run the script. You could see a prompt asking to enter the password for the indicated SMTP host. Enter the password for the email testing SMTP server. All done. The emails were successfully sent and delivered to the Mailtrap inbox. Finally, let's see how you could perform MailMerge with docx-mailmerge. Unlike the previous options, docx-mailmerge merges data to Office OpenXML or docx files. All of that without having to install Microsoft Office Word. What you do have to install is the docx-mailmerge package. Simply copy the command from our blog post and run it from your Python project. Then prepare the document with merge fields as described in the blog post. We've already prepared a mail.docx file that contains the email template with name and score placeholders. And just like with previous examples, we also have a database with the merge data. Import the CSV and the mailmerge function. Specify the name of the document. Use the with statement to open the CSV file and the reader object to read the database. Skip the header line in the database with the next function. Loop through the file and use the mailmerge function to create a document. In that document, we merge data, such as name and score, from the database. Finally, write a document into the score folder. Run the script. Perfect. We see the process finished message. 2 files were created. Let's check one of them. The name and score fields were merged as we expected. All done. You now know how to perform a mail merge with Python. Once all the tests are completed and the merge fields are verified, send your personalized emails in production with an email sending solution, one like Mailtrap email sending. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.